안녕하세요. 제 이름은 Nami입니다. Hi, it's Nami and today I'm going to show you my foundation routine. Let me see if I can make this a bit darker for you. But before I get started, I want to mention it's kind of the same routine that I've been doing since my last updated foundation routine video, but I kind of switched up the products a bit. And in that video, I feel like the camera that I was using it was so hard to color grade that video, and yeah, let's just not talk about that. So from that video onward, I decided not to touch that intense Panasonic DSLR. My goals left up to that, and I'm just using my Canon, which is like my trusty Canon. I love Canon. No shade at Panasonic. I just don't know how to use that complex system. So Makeup Forever sent me their new matte velvet skin line with my favorite hydrating primer. So I'm gonna throw on the primer first. You can rub it in with your hands. I'm just gonna slather it on real quick. They also sent this brush. Thank you, Makeup Forever. This is the 108 foundation brush. And then I'm gonna use MAC's Strobe Cream, which I really like for that dewy look, but it doesn't make you look overly oily. I got a bug bite here. I think a spider bit me because a spider bit me on my calf and my ankle, and I think the same spider bit me right there. Get that glow. My color for the matte velvet skin is Y225, and I'm originally Makeup Forever 120. This color is like literally my skin. It's my skin. They even sent me this pamphlet. This is how you do it, okay? This is how you do it. Ta-da! And that's not all. This is how you do it. No shade, no tea, just truth. I'm right here. That's my shade. I have different ways I like applying this, so I'll show you my 3 methods. First, I go and place it on my hand, a little bit of a streaky thing. I haven't tested yet whether it's 24 hours, so if you want to see me wearing this foundation for 24 hours and testing how it wears throughout the 24 hours, please let me know. I think that might be helpful to see, like, check in every few hours and see how the makeup is lasting. But first way is with that brush. I just go and take a bit across the whole of the brush, start from the middle of my face, and just blend out. If you are using a foundation brush and find that you're leaving streaks, what I recommend is holding the brush a little ways down on the barrel so there's less pressure, because the streaks are coming from you pushing the bristles through into your skin. So try to hold the brush a little bit further out, and it should help with streaking. If anything, you might need to do some padding. Velvet, literally velvet. Velvet, hello velvet. Take a little bit at a time for little areas. Another method I like to use is this microfiber velvet sponge. Seeing a theme here. This one is from Juno & Co. I'll have a link to all my products that I'm using down below. This one is nice though because it doesn't absorb as much as the Beauty Blender does. It's made out of like a velvet microfiber material. Super soft and fuzzy. You can use it dry and you can also use it wet. Because it doesn't absorb that much, we're just gonna take a little bit. And you can use it dry for more coverage. And if you use it dry with sponges, it works really well. But with liquids, I like to use wet, so I'm gonna BRB and dampen this. Squeeze all the water out, so it's just a little bit damp. Smoothen out this velvet foundation with my velvet sponge. Can you believe this sponge is only $6 too? Because the Beauty Blender is like $20. I have to conceal this spider bite. Why is there even a spider bite on my face? Like, how did that happen, please? I honestly don't know which method I like better, but I do know that I've been really liking these earrings. They are from Annalisa. Because my skin is matte and it is a velvet texture, I'm gonna skip the powder so that my face doesn't get overly dry, but I am gonna use powdered face products with this flat top buffing brush. Gonna grab some for my cheeks. And I'm grabbing it in the line that it's actually on the pan. Bring it up to my brow bone a bit. I really like these earrings because I usually react with normal earrings, but with these ones I had no reaction at all. And they're really pretty, like the designs are really unique. This product my sister gave me, but I believe it's discontinued from Etude House, but Revlon sells something that's similar, so I'll have the link below to the Revlon one instead. You can see that it just adds such a healthy glow. I'm gonna add a bit of this light one to my nose bridge and tip of my nose. And then I'm going in with my trusty contour powder, which has now broken. I'm using my favorite MuseBeauty Precise Contour Brush, curated by Jen Meet Muse. Just taking a bit of this contour powder on just the tip, and I'm going in from my brow bone to the tip of my nose. And then I somehow do the rest of my face with this broken powder. From my tragus in towards my nasal fold. Add the rest to my jaw and the other side. And my temples a bit. Then I'm gonna grab this Skin Food blush. I just use this because I like the color. It's kind of pastel-y, but like cool pink. So I'm just gonna grab some and bridge between my highlighter and my contour, like so. So this is the final face look. My battery's gonna run out, so I'll see you next time. Bye.